Here goes to
Go, go. Para ba?
maraming pong salamat sa mga minupal. Maraming pong salamat. Ako ko po nakita ang trofeo yung ng bata pa ako. Sa kwarto ng mga trofeo na nag-iisang pinasado sa ito. We never realized today na makakapagod po kami dito. Ayan. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to everyone who believed in this project from the very beginning. To our talented cast, headed by no other than amazing Colonel Sol, and crew headed by the genius Derek Cabrigo together with TCS, Enrico Santos, and of course, who pour their passion and creativity in every frame. To our producers, headed by Nay Omar, maraming salamat, who believed in our vision and supported us and Ruby in every step of the way. To Warner Brothers family, headed by Sir Rico Gonzalez, who helped us bring our film to audiences far and wide. To my family, who always supports me. Sa aking mga kaibigan and original member productions, Josher, Alan, Alay, Naijio, Shin, at maraming salamat. To our PR and marketing team, Reggie and Carl, and to our fans, the more than 1 million Filipino individuals and nanonood ng Malayali sa mga sirihan, your unwavering support and love have inspired us to push the boundaries of what is possible. But let us also remember that our work is far from over. Let us continue to champion diversity, inclusivity, representation in our industry. Let us strive to tell stories that challenge, provoke, and inspire. And let us never lose sight of the power of cinema to unite us, to move us, and change for the better whatever we are going through at this moment. Pag nagkakaisa po tayo, mas mabilis po tayo makakausad at mas magbubukas ng marami pang oportunidad para sa industriya nito. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po ang Tamas, mabuhay po ang Pelikulang Pilipino, mabuhay po ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat.
Best friend.
Congratulations!
Congratulations,